64. So, 3 times 64. Yes, that is the answer. So, our the seventh term is 192. Okay. Next. Sa Fibonacci sequence, please read. Fibonacci sequence where each number is the sum of the two previous numbers. Okay, for example, 1 plus 1. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 8 plus 5. 38. Yung sa Fibonacci sequence, we will use the addition or the addition operation. Sa geometric sequence, we will use the division. And the arithmetic sequence, we will use the subtraction. Okay. Ngayon, pwede na kayong kumuha ng cellphone to use your calculator. Kasi dito sa formula natin, kasi parang ano siya, it's hard to solve. Okay. We have here the f sub n. So, 1 divided by the square root of 5. Sige. Class, kunin nyo yung square root of 5. Ano yung square root of 5? Please use your calculator. Use your calculator. Okay. What is the answer? Okay. The square root is we will use the 3-digit decimal point. That's why we have our square root of 5 is equal to 2.236. So kung ano dito yung may square root of 5, we will change into 2.236. So now, dahil nakuha naman natin yung square root of 5, we will divide the 1 into 2.236. So 1 divided by 236 is equal to 0.447. Now we will proceed to 1 plus 2.236. Okay, very good. Dito, 1 minus 2.236. Okay, class. Kung na-confuse kayo kung bakit siya naging negative, kasi instead na bigger number yung dapat isubtract natin upang yung answer niya ay positive is dapat yung data. Pero dito ay small number yung sinubtract natin. That's why we have to use the negative. Okay, we have now the answer of the 1 minus 2.236 and the 1 minus 2.236. So now, we will divide. Okay, 3.236 divided by 2. Sige, gamitin niyo yung calculator niyo. Okay, we have 1.618. How about 1.236 divided by 2?
Negative 0.618.
Okay. Now, we will multiply the exponent. Okay. Sa calculator nyo, dapat sundin nyo kung ano yung nandito. You have to use the open parentheses. Sige. Open parentheses. Ngayon, tapos, 1.618 and close parentheses. Di ba may symbol dyan na X, Y, or ganito yung symbol? May symbol dyan. Raise to the power of 14. Up, down. Point. Okay, very good. How about the negative 0.618 raised to the power of 14? Okay, we have 0.0. No, we have positive 0.001. you have other questions or clarification? Okay, we will now proceed to the number sentence.
Okay, so I guess you already have a question of students now, so let's go here in number sentences. So a number sentences is a math statement that shows the relationship between numbers using symbols. So these are called a variable. A variable is a method that represents a number. So here are an example. Or there are other example naman. Like the plus, minus, divide, and so on and so forth. So these are, we're going to example first. So we have here x plus 5 plus 12. And there are different okay class. So when we have 3x equals 8. Can you try solving it? Maria class. What is the variable?
What is the missing number? So, we have the missing number here. Okay, very good. We have 7.
What about here? 3n equals 15.
Times. 3 times 5.
Okay, very good.
So now let's try it with a vertical leg. So Emperor is 9 kilograms heavier than Maria. So 36 kilograms, their total weight is 77 kilograms. Let N equals Mariana's weight and Emperor N plus 9. So here are the equations. N plus N plus open parenthesis N plus 9 close parenthesis equals 77. So Marian's weight is 34 kilograms and Emperor is 48 kilograms. As to why, who wants to try to solve this?
8 and 7.
Okay, grab a one sheet of paper and try to solve this.
Ay, 5 ang nasa class later.
Why it becomes to 77? The missing number.
5 and 8.
34 plus 43.
5 plus, sabi kong 8, ay multiply by 10 plus 9.
Okay, we will focus here. Bakit naging 77 siya? What is the missing number? The n is the variable. So, the missing number is represented by variable.
5.
5? Okay, all you need to do is, you will subtract the 77 to 9. Yes, did you get?
Okay,
34. So, what is the answer of 77? Subtract by 9. 68. Okay, 68. So, the answer here is 68. Because always remember class, in the number sentence, we will find the missing number. Because the missing number represented by the variables. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, and also don't forget that. So the answer right is 68. So that is not yet the answer. You have to use division. So n plus n equals 2 n. So it's like 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples. Apples? 2 apples. Okay. So n plus n equals 2. 2n. Good. And then just like what teacher that you just said a while ago, you have to, what is it again? 77 and what?
Minus 9.
Minus 9 equals to 68. And then you're going to divide it to these two n. So 68 divided by 9.
68 divided by 2. 68
68
divided by
34.
34. That's why we have, Marian, we have 34 kilograms.
Is that
Okay,
okay?
understand?
Yes, teacher. Any confusion there, class? So you can ask us before we proceed.
Okay? So, we will proceed now. Yes, teacher.
So that we can be
Go, teacher.
Okay. There's our now number 51. So now let's go
Okay,
here.
please read what is our perfect expression.
A math expression
when we say equation, huwag kayo mag-base dito sa problem kasi I will explain to you later. Okay? Okay, for example, x plus 5. Kasi we will present by the variable. When we say algebraic expression, we will represent by variable, for example, n, x, y. If we will say the mathematical expression, is it what is mathematical expression?
Mathematical expression is a combination of numbers arranged without an equal sign.
Okay. Dito sa mathematical expression, yung difference nila sa algebraic expression. Sa algebraic expression, we will use the variables like x, y, n, okay, whatever. When we say a mathematical expression, we will use the operation. Okay. For example, the sum of a number and a. So, yung keyword natin is the sum and the number. So, pag sinabi natin sum, ano yung operation na gagamitin natin?
Multiply.
Addition. Okay, very good. So, di ba, I tell you later na, I tell you earlier na pag sinabing mathematical expression, we will use the operation. Okay. So, yung number dito, we will represent it by the variable. So, that's why we have x plus a. Okay? Next, twice a number. Okay. It says that twice a number. So, we have 2x. Next, a number decreased by 6. So, we will use the word decrease. What is the operation?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay, very good. So, ang number dito ay nagre-represent ng x. Okay? Guys, did you get that? Kasi, huwag kayong mag-comment kasi may activity tayo later. Okay. These are the examples of mathematical expression. 8 plus 6, 7 minus 3, 5 times 2, and 9 divided by 3. So, here in our problem, we have the equal sign. So, when we say equal sign, tinatawag ito na algebraic expression with equation. Okay. Jose is 9 years old. How old will he be 5 years from now? So, we have to use this is called the mathematical expression. Tapos, yung answer niya ay, pag may answer na siya, may equal sign na siya, tinatawag siya na mathematical expression with equation. Okay? That's why we have to 9 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, did you understand class? Yes, teacher. Saan dito yung hindi nyo naiintindihan? Kasi we will have an activity. Sige. Ano yung i-clarify mo? A14? Saan dito? Yes. Kasi yung hinahanap natin dito, yung 14th term. Okay. So, yung 14th term, yung n ay nagre-represent ng 14, di ba? F sub n. Yung n ay nagre-represent ng term na hinahanap natin. That's why we have to change the n into 14. Okay? Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Do you have any clarification? Yes.
No,
No? No more questions? Okay. We will now have an activity.
By no teacher.
Okay. We will divide you into two groups.
Okay, so please count yourself. So 1, 2, okay. And please start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Wala ko, one ko. Okay.
Yung one will be here and you will here. Please repeat faster because you only have
One per class.
here we have okay, part time this. Another one. Sige, okay, please sit down. Sit down, class. Wait lang ako.
Okay. Ang gagawin niyo ay ibigyan ko kayo ng bond paper. Bond paper. Okay. Dito ilagay yung Okay. Mapapakita kami dito ng phrases, yung na mga expressions, or mga sequences, and mga number sentences. Kung makikinig kayo, makasagot kayo. Kung sino yung makauna na maka-raise ng answer, sila yung manalo. Okay. I will not say 1, 2, 3. Kung sino yung nauna, you will just raise your answer. Okay? Okay.
So, please remind the students,
Okay, class?
participate in this activity. These are anchors that we did not.
Okay, class? Okay. First,
A number plus
5 equals 12. The answer is 7.
Okay, are you ready for the next question? Okay, so now for the second question is, the sum of 8 and 6 is
14. Okay, okay, sila yung Next.
975 blank blank.
Three, one.